The zero view jail is a problem that many shorts creators face, so I'm going to show you 4 methods you can try to get out of it. And the one that I used for this channel, which you can see has had a pretty decent fast push, was aged accounts. Now an aged account is one that's a few months old with a history of activity on it, just watching videos and whatnot. And even before using this account, you want to warm it up for a few days before posting and just make sure to stay active on it, like engage with content, just behave normally like you would on your normal YouTube account. If you don't have one, ask your family, friends, siblings if they have one, and if they don't, then you can buy one from Age Profiles, or you can use Access Market where you can view the channel that you're going to be buying, and there you can see if the content is already getting above 0 views. The second method is posting a long form video of your face, just you doing some random stuff. I saw Moneymind Unfiltered recommended this, and I was speaking to some people in my community about this, got them to try it, and it seems to be working pretty well. Now you can even post a short on the same day, seems to work. Essentially it's just proving to YouTube that you're not a bot. Now the third method is just using a brand new account, and I know this sounds pretty standard, but make sure you warm it up first, like watch YouTube as you would normally, comment, subscribe, engage. Do this for at least 3 days for like a couple hours per day, and after that post your first video, but make sure it's good. Like don't expect to push with low effort saturated content, and be aware that you'll rarely get an immediate push. Sometimes it can take like 24 hours, so don't give up too soon. And I'd be uploading once a day for 3 days, and if none of the videos get a push, take a day break. If your next video doesn't get a push, take a 2-day break, but when you do get a push, continue your daily uploads. Now if you don't get any pushes by that point, keep doing the breaks until you reach around a week, and if that's the case, then you're probably cooked. I'd be starting another channel and just repeat the process from there. Now method 4 is using someone else to post the videos for you, and shout out to my boy Mo on Twitter for this one. First, get an editor, family member or friend who has never posted much to create a channel under their main YouTube account, so this can be like a brand account. Next, you want them to give you manager permissions on the account. After that, for the first 10 uploads, get them to upload the videos for you. This is very important. Do not edit anything on the channel, let them do everything. You can only view, right? And once you get a push on the first 10 videos, get them to transfer full ownership to you. Now be aware that these methods, they're not 100% foolproof, but like me and my members inside my community have found them to work countless times.